scrolling on your smartphone? Want to update your friends and family with beautiful pictures and fun videos? Instagram is your answer. How about quick real-time updates? Turn to your Snapchat. These two mobile apps hold similar capabilities ever since the release of Instagram stories on social media. Yet, there's a major difference between the two platforms marketing-wise. Let's dive into that now. What is Instagram? Instagram is a virtual photo and video sharing app where you upload and post your interests, selfies, and best moments within everyday life. Once it used to be seen as a very static social media platform as you could only upload pictures, but then ever since the evolution of video marketing, you can now upload videos as well as with the whole live streaming trend going on nowadays. Founded by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger back in 2009 to 10 San Francisco, the funky term actually derives from the two words instant and telegram. Put it together, pow! Instagram. An instant telegram for your fans and friends in visual format. How about Snapchat? Instantaneous, creative, and in-the-moment storytelling through pictures and videos expiring after 24 hours. Yes, I know, very time-based. It's either you see it or you don't. Many millennials, Gen Xers, and B2C brands like McDonald's, who I have to say by the way, have really nailed it with their Snapchat marketing ever since 2014. Spend great amounts of time producing snaps, post-produced geo filters, and captivating their fans off their smartphones wherever they are in the world. Kind of like a visual-only form of Twitter. Well, sort of. Very clever for our human attention span nowadays, Evan Spiegel. By the way guys, Evan Spiegel is the founder of Snapchat. Research it in your free time. Difference in marketing. Instagram allows marketers to build up a permanent portfolio of visual content. Snapchat, on the other hand, doesn't allow you to do that as it's very time constraining and destroys its content after a day. Despite the controversial beliefs and rivalry between Instagram stories copying Snapchat's features, our cute little camera is owned by Facebook, thereby allowing us to integrate between these two different social channels, which is very excellent for any marketer to get their reach out. Then again, depending on your consumers and what market you may be in, they may prefer live streaming content as that's more captivating to them. Especially if your target audience are teenagers or young adults wanting to know everything about anyone at any time. Because of this, let's say I was an events marketer for a music event. The way that I would go about marketing on social media would be Snapchat. That's the best answer. Let's take it that the concert was 8 months from now. The way I'd be going about it is that for the first 3 to 4 months, I'd be building up my fans and my followers, even driving them to wanting to know about what this content is about, even teasing them with snippets on what's to be featured. Before eventually I start knowing how to drive short videos that have call to actions, website URLs, and be able to drive my right traffic to the right, you could say, websites or music partners to buy tickets and encourage electronic word of mouth. On the other hand, if I was an Oriental restaurant, I love me some Oriental food, I'd be going about my Instagram marketing by building up a healthy portfolio or a healthy page worth of both pictures and videos, therefore making a good variety, a good combination. As the content I'll be including will include how the food's made, the final product, special offers, birthday parties, happy customers, and a visual, or you could say a vibrant dining experience. With all this content in mind, you mean to tell me that your customer won't be aroused both hunger and entertainment wise to visit your store from just their Instagram feed to a restaurant visit? You gotta bear that in mind. Just remember, Instagram is a permanent footprint you offer out online, whereas Snapchat is a temporary live streamer. Ask yourself as a marketer or business owner how you wish to be remembered. Thanks a lot again guys for watching. Email us at contact@content45.com for further questions on Instagram or Snapchat marketing. Comment below with any video suggestions and subscribe to our digital marketing agency on YouTube, Content45.